wanted to come back with a quick update on this hair. This is still the loose curl Brazilian hair that I have from Kendra. I just stepped out the shower and I washed it for the first time after washing it the previous time when I mentioned on the first video, or the second video. So this is how the hair looks. And this was just a simple wash with shampoo and conditioner. I didn't use a specific shampoo. I think it was argan oil shampoo and conditioner that I used on it. It's shedding quite a lot. I'm finger combing it out so it doesn't tangle when it dries out. When it dries. But I'm gonna just let it air dry. I'm not gonna put heat on it. I'm gonna air dry it and then I'll try to straighten it. I'll possibly come back with another video once it air dries. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after washing it, considering I had straightened it out and curled it with my wand. So clearly the curls came right back. And these were the tight curls that I wasn't really looking forward to, but I can rock this for summer. But while it's winter and I want that loose curl, I'll go ahead and just, straighten it again. And yeah. Hey you guys, welcome back. I am just here with a quick update on this hair that I showed you earlier today. So this is the hair being dried after washing it. And like I said earlier, this is kind of like a summer look. Although I will say it probably will keep me warm now, but this is not much of the look that I wanted to go for. You can pretty much see that the curls came back in here. And this to me is not a loose curl. This is definitely a deep curl style, but I think that's what had me a little bit confused, because I kept saying erotic deep curls when it was actually loose curls. So what I'm going to do is just flat iron it and then curl it back. Again, I'm not gonna add any products to it. Like, I've never added any products to it since I've gotten it. It is shedding quite a lot, but that's about it. So it seems like really good hair. The frontal, I might say, it's a little more rough than the bundles, if you can clearly tell. They stick out more than the actual bundles, but I mean, it's not bad. My hand is going through it. This is after a regular wash. So if this is your style of hair where you can straighten it and do whatever curls you want and then get back to this tight curls look, go for it. Kendra has you. Kendra will literally take care of you. So all of this, like I said, it is shedding. I do have a couple of strands that came out from doing that. I'm gonna stop so that my mom doesn't get upset with me. Yeah, so this is what I just pulled out, and that's a lot. So I'll come back, look at that. I don't know if you can see all of that, but all of this just came out. So, and when it was wet, a lot more came out, and I kind of feel like it's the bundle that's coming out, because it does look a little thin in the front. So now I have to find a new way to part it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it again, and I'll come back with pretty much my last update of how this hair looks like. This should be 3 weeks review. This is a 3 weeks review, and I think it's good hair. I think I should be able to use this hair again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope that was very informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment, and I will respond. Thanks, and bye.